I stumbled upon my YouTube short total revenue and the result was mind-blowing. All this while, I never knew I could actually make such amounts from just posting shorts. I used to always think that short is a waste of time. There is no money in short. If you post short, you won't get paid. Stop posting short. Guys, this is to tell you that YouTube Shorts is actually paying now. So if you're out there, you're posting shorts and you're feeling discouraged that you might not really make money from it, I'm here to tell you one secret. YouTube Shorts is actually paying now. Yes. But one thing is that it can't be compared to your longer form video. Okay. So basically what I'm going to be showing you guys right now, of course, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make ever since I got monetized on shorts, and also you all will be the judge if it's actually worth it or not. But as for me, what I saw is mind-blowing and I'm satisfied with it, like very very. So right now we're going to be going straight to my YouTube Studio desktop version analytics, or just my main YouTube Studio analytics, so that I can be able to show you guys how much I've earned. As you all know, I got monetized here December 15th last year, and I don't even really post on my shorts. Don't worry, we're going to be seeing a whole lot. So right now let's go over to video analytics. From video analytics we get to see my revenue. So let's go over to my revenue, the revenue aspect. Now this revenue is based on last 28 days, so I'm going to take it back to 365 days. Yes, because I got monetized last year. So let's take it back to 365 days. We're going to be going over to my top performing shorts, then we come over to the total revenue. So let's click on this see more, and this is what I have here. From the screen here, these are my most performing shorts. You can see them. The first one have $1 plus, the second one same thing, the third one is 30 cents, 14 cents, 9 cents, 9 cents, down to the very last one I have here. And mind you, these videos are videos that I uploaded like over 4 or 5 months ago on my channel, because my present short videos, I don't think each of them has even produced up to 30 cents. So these videos are from the videos I posted a long time ago. So now let's go back, and this is what I have as a total revenue. $4.95. Yay! That is almost $5. Like, I was really really surprised when I saw this amount, because lately if I go to my YouTube short analytics for my past videos of like over 1 month, I keep seeing cents, 5 cents, 2 cents, 0.00. Like, so when I saw this amount, I was like, so I could actually make something out of YouTube shorts. I've come across a lot of YouTube shorts revenue videos here on YouTube here, and I'm seeing revenues of like 0.0 cents, 0.05, 0.06. So guys, this is really really mind blowing. And if you upload shorts very well, like you earn from shorts, I believe you can be able to relate, because this amount is, now let's go ahead to check how much it is in naira sef. Let's check if it can actually pay for some of my bills or not. So currently, as a Nigerian and I'm in Nigeria, dollar is currently, let's just say 1,480. Yeah, that is per $1. So what we're going to be doing now is 1,480 multiplied by 4. Yeah, by $4. So we have 5,920. Mind you, it's almost $5. So for this, I think this can actually cover my data expenses, like my daily data expenses for like 3 days. Yeah, so it's worth it. Actually, it's worth it. And these are videos I posted a long time ago. So now it's left for you. Is it worth it or not? What does it say? Or what do you think about this whole thing? You can drop it in the comment section. But for me, it's actually worth it. Yes, it's actually worth it. So now you've seen that if you're actually posting shorts on your channel and you're feeling discouraged, you don't know if you're going to earn from those shorts, this is me telling you now that you are actually going to make money. So but one sweet part of posting shorts is those people earning from short are basically those people that are having high views. Like when I mean high views, like views of over 100k views, over 200k, 300k, 1 million, 10 million views, you're going to make money from shorts. Yes, but if you're having all these baby views, like 500 views, 5,000 views, 10k views, you might not really make much. Like honestly speaking, it's nowhere compared to what you make on long form content, because I have some 1,000 views, like that is the revenue for 1,000 views on my channel for my long form content. Some of them are over $5, and some of them are like $4, some are like $2. So imagine, since over, okay, I got monetized December, January, February, March, let's say 3 months of monetizing my channel, like what I earn generally on shorts is just $4.95. Yes, I know I'm not consistent with it. Like my channel is not just based on shorts. I post long form videos more. So I believe to me it's actually cool, yes, because I never even expected it. But one thing for sure is you're going to earn higher from long form content than shorts. So guys, if you find this video helpful one way or the other, please do well to go down to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, like this video and share so that it can get to a whole lot of people. And if you've been needing me to make any video on how much YouTube pay for a particular view on my channel, you can also drop it in the comment section. And of course, always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.